What if I told you I created this entire cinematic video using just one simple prompt and completely free AI tools? No filming, no actors, no expensive equipment, just a text prompt. Stay until the end because I'm about to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Let me show you the complete video I generated first, so you can see exactly what we're going to create together today. This is The Day the Sky Shattered, a short story video that took me less than 15 minutes to make from start to finish.
The city awakens, bathed in golden sunlight, a tranquil start to the day. Birds chirp, the sound resonating with hope. The serenity is shattered as the sky cracks open, spilling ethereal light. The streets vibrate with the shock and the unexpected. Awe turns to fear. Cries of disbelief and frantic calls fill the air. Panic ensues as people witness the impossible. Incredible phenomena unfold. Islands float, waterfalls reverse, alien creatures grace the skies with luminescence. Eyes widen, jaws drop at this mesmerizing spectacle. Amidst the chaos, a young scientist, eyes filled with determination, stands ready, his mind a blend of ancient wisdom and modern technology. His hands move swiftly over holographic controls. The storm rages on. Fractures in the sky glow fiercely as ocean waves rise unnaturally tall, each towering crest an omen of change. Futuristic aircraft dart across the sky, blast.
Pretty dope, right? The visuals, the storytelling, the smooth transitions, all created with AI. And the best part? I'm going to teach you my exact process so you can create your own story videos. Whether you want to make content for social media, tell creative stories, or even create simple promotional videos for your business, this method works for everyone. Alright, let's dive into the tutorial. I'm going to break this down into 3 simple steps. First, we will use ChatGPT to create our story prompt. Then, we will generate the video in Hypernatural.ai. Finally, we will add some finishing touches in CapCut. Let's start with step 1, creating our story prompt. Now, you might already have a story idea like I did, The Day the Sky Shattered, but if you don't, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm some amazing concepts. I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and show you exactly how I approach this. For my story, I already knew I wanted something about the sky breaking, but I needed to turn this basic idea into a detailed video prompt that AI could work with. Here's what I typed into ChatGPT. In one paragraph, create a detailed and engaging AI video story prompt for this idea, The Day the Sky Shattered. From this title, create the story, then write the video prompt, including a captivating hook, a logical structure, interesting examples, and a smooth outro. Look at what ChatGPT gave me back. This is perfect for AI video creation. It breaks down the story into clear visual scenes: the peaceful morning, the scientist, the moment the sky cracks, the people's reaction, and the dynamic revelation of the cosmos behind the sky. If you don't have any story ideas at all, you can simply ask ChatGPT, give me 5 creative story ideas perfect for short AI videos. It will give you concepts ranging from sci-fi to everyday moments that you can turn into engaging content. Now let's move to step 2, the actual video creation. I'm heading to Hypernatural.ai and I'll walk you through the entire process from signing up to getting up this video to the world. Grab some popcorn or at least a snack. You're about to see some AI flex. I already signed up not to make the video longer. Tutorials usually drag on for 20 minutes. Yeah, I don't have that kind of patience either. The sign-up process is straightforward. Just enter your email and verify it once. Once you're in, you will see a clean beginner-friendly interface and 100 credits in your account. Each video costs 20 credits to generate, which is a great deal if you ask me. Click my link in the description, sign up, and choose your plan. You'll see the main prompt box after you sign up. This is where we're going to paste our refined story prompt from ChatGPT. I'm copying the exact prompt I created about the sky shattering and pasting it here. Now, there are 4 main settings. Add an image. In my case, I won't use it. Video style, video length, and aspect ratio. If you can't decide the style settings, you can leave it on default because Hypernatural is pretty smart about creating good visuals automatically. Or you can experiment with different styles as you like. For me, I'm using cyberpunk. For video duration, I'm selecting around 60 seconds, so I will go with the classic option. You can go with the short or long form options if your story needs it. For my aspect ratio, I'm choosing 16:9. It works well for YouTube and most social media platforms. If you're planning to create content specifically for Instagram stories or TikTok, you might want to choose 9:16 instead. Also, they have a great character library for your videos. You can choose pre-made ones or create your own. Don't worry, the consistency of the characters are insane, and new scenes are added while maintaining the same facial details of your exact character. Back to our video. Now I will hit the green arrow button and the script tab should pop up. This feature right here makes things a piece of cake. Actually easier because cake is hard to bake. Up here on the left, you can select your narrator voice. Some are paid, some are free. I'm going to use this one, Robert, as it matches the story vibes. Here on the right, you can choose your character. Hypernatural automatically made me a character I'll be using. You can make the script longer or shorter. Let's make it a little longer. Select your language. You can go through each word of the video script and edit things as you like. Or go to the text box below and customize your script style. This make it more engaging, and click the arrow button. It made the duration longer. And now let's hit generate. Just wait 30 seconds and the video is almost done. Let me address something important. Hypernatural will add a watermark for free users to your video. Now, this might be a little problem, but I'm going to show you a simple workaround in CapCut that completely solves this issue. Alright, our video is ready. Let me show you what Hypernatural created. Look at this. The AI interpreted our prompt beautifully. You can see the peaceful beginning, the dramatic moment when the sky starts cracking, and the amazing reveal of the cosmos behind. The transitions are smooth. That story was dope. No, wait, it was dopely. So share that like button too if you agree. And the best part is you can edit everything. The audio, the images, the style, the transitions, the effects, the subtitles. You can delete scenes or edit scenes. You can extend the duration of the story for some credits. The AI automatically created different scenes based on our prompt, added transitions between them, and even subtitles that fits the mood. This is pretty impressive for something that took just a few minutes to create. Now let's export the video and download it so we can move to our final step, the finishing touches in CapCut. Time for step 3. Polishing our video in CapCut. Now you might be thinking, this sounds complicated, but I'm going to show you just 2 simple things that will make a huge difference. Removing that watermark and adding better music. So pro video editors feel jealous about you. Opening CapCut and importing our video from Hypernatural, the first thing we need to tackle is that watermark. Here's my simple solution. We're going to crop the video slightly to remove the watermark area. Select the video track, then go to scale. I think 117% should do. I'm going to adjust the frame to crop out just the bottom portion where the watermark appears. The great thing is, this crop is so minimal that it doesn't affect the story or visual quality at all. You barely notice the difference, but the watermark is completely poof. Now for the music. While Hypernatural's generated audio is cool and all, CapCut has this dope library of royalty-free music that can really skyrocket your video. I'm going to browse through their library and find something that matches the mood of our story. For the day the sky shattered, something futuristic would literally blow up to something more dramatic and mysterious. Here we go. This track is dope. It has this heroic beginning and builds to a more cosmic, mysterious sound that matches our story perfectly. I'm adjusting the audio levels so the music supports the story without overpowering it. CapCut makes this really easy. Select the audio and set the volume to -18 or -20 dB. And trust me, I don't know what this dB stands for. You can also select the audio and make this fade in option. Just select the beginning of the frame and swipe right till you get this cool fade in at the beginning. You should crop the unnecessary part of the audio, and that's it. Our video is now complete. Watermark removed, dope music added, and ready to share. The entire process from ChatGPT prompt to finished video took us about 30 minutes. One tap on subscribe, your day just went from dope to dopely. Here it is, the finished product, the day the sky shattered. Made with nothing but free AI tools, a little editing, and about 30 minutes of effort. No cameras, no actors, no Hollywood budget. Yeah, it looks like something that could have taken a motion graphics professional weeks to pull off. Now you've seen the whole process from start to finish. I've dropped the links you will need in the description. Yes, the Hypernatural link is my affiliate, which means if you use it, you're helping me keep making tutorials like this one. And also you get the same free trail credits I used to make this project. Win-win. The wrap-up. My method is ridiculously accessible. You don't need editing chops, fancy software, or screenwriting degree. Just 3 simple steps: ChatGPT for story, Hypernatural for the video, and CapCut for the finishing touches. That's it. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It really does help more people discover these tutorials. And if you want more AI-powered creativity hacks, subscribe to Dopely Tech and ring that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. We only bring dope tech here, no fluff. I want to see what you make too. Drop a comment and tell me your best idea, sci-fi like mine, or something totally wild. I read every single comment. And honestly, I can't wait to see your creation. And that's a wrap for today. Remember, the hardest part is just pressing start. Pick a simple idea, follow these 3 steps, and in no time, you will have your own AI-generated video ready to blow people's minds. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one where we push these tools even further in Dopely Tech.